For today's video, ito po, nag-aalaga ng bata na may sakit. May sumpong po siya. Ay po siya. Pasensya na po. Wala kaming ganong live. Ay, mami. Oops. Hello. Kumay ka na, kumay. Hello. Hello. Pahinging ulam. Eh. Mama, anong ulam? Nay. So guys, pa-share naman ang video namin ng apo ko. Ubo na. Mamang tubig. Inom. Inom ng tubig ang apo. Oh.
But as a result, he had to pay the Duke a bribe every time he sold a display case to an aristocrat. There is no point
Inom na, mamam.
just because the concept of his window display is a flower. However, at this time, he had no other choice. She wants to open his eyes.
Mura.
The head of the trading guild, the
Papahilot natin yan mamaya.
the merchant told
Papahilot po kami mamaya. Tignan mo na naman itsura niya. Oh, nagpapaulan na.
said that several years
Napaulan na naman siya.
glass windows
Ang baby na yung bata
knocked on one of the ducal houses.
Ay,
It must have been natural to choose the
ma,
flowers, and the Duke learned the value of the stained glass.
ang galing-galing ng apo ko.
Stained glass
Pari.
advertising because
Anong gagawin mo?
could appreciate the value.
Banana chicken. Banana chicken. Banana chicken. Banana chicken. Ang apo ko. Matapang yan. Matapang yan. Ay, inaantok na. Laging putol na. Lagi po siyang hindi nakakatulog. Masama po ang pakiramdam. Papahilot po yan mamaya. Opo.
Something else that would be a hit.
May kabag.
And said that in the future, this could clearly become popular.
Para po siyang duwal ng duwal.
This was entirely her idea. The design and everything else was also hers.
Matigas po kasi ang ulo ng mama at saka lola. Ayan.
Windows. But she also
Yung batang matakaw.
decided she needed visual evidence
Baligtad ngayon. Ayaw kumain.
paper and pen. That's why she took the time to draw this drawing.
Ayan po yung bata ang ingay-ingay.
And the moon window
Pagmasdan niyo po ang bata.
only his trading company
Ubo. Uy, nantok na. Hindi mo malaman kung inaantok o inuubo.
That's why she decided to do this. Because it was completely unprofitable.
Punasan ang ulo. Punasan ang noo.
The little girl asked if he had ever heard the phrase that the enemy of your enemy is your friend.
Ikaw, Ate Pen, tapos ka nang kumain.
Nagugas na ng plato eh.
Nagugas na ng plato si Ate Pen.
Inspired by flower displays,
Babe.
one of the best products
Wala na? Open niyo daw.
as he had
Nge.
said that, and she had already said
Ay, shit.
she thought it was a good contract for him. She noted to herself that through
Bawal.
connections, she had already
Ay, hindi.
one of Agnes's
Oh,
major
ito.
financial channels. The Richmond company was next in line. She needed to prevent her older brother from getting more money. While the young man was thinking about her proposal, Lennon added that he knew there was a saying that you should trust a contract. Merchants who wander through the country following a flow of goods also used to move with the faith of finding good goods.
Inom lang inom.
Principle, trust the contract, is like the old compass. The young man could not believe that such a proposal was coming from a child.
Ano niya? Bang! Ano ginagawa natin? Bang! So Dahil naman gustong gusto laruin ng dede. Ano? Pitik na pitik. Ping! Ping! Bigyan mo ako si mama. Lola. Ay! Ito. Ping! Ping! Nililibang na lang po yung batang iyakin. Ping! 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 Yan! Dali na mama, magsasayang na ako. Yan, sandali, matapos na si mama. Oo, mama.
They would talk about other goods. Richelieu admired that this one
Kaya
was
nawala yung tumbler.
20% more from the aristocrats.
Ay, sila ng cellphone.
Understood.
1, at 2. Ito na po, oh, mahaba na yung video natin. Oh.
Sometime,
Ay,
said that there was
ay.
more to see.
Video na, yeah.
The assistant asked
Video na, yeah. Oh, mama.
to be stupid.
Oh, mama. Oh. Ay. Oh, ay.
People lining up for them.
Harap na sa camera. Hello.
Footsteps. And he too was going to direct his future on his path. Meanwhile, heroine suddenly became
Hello. Hello po. Hello po. Babay na po. Tapos na po si mama. Ibibigay na po siya sa mama niya.
congratulated her.
Upo lang siya.
Congratulating her on
Yan.